conscious man, I'm a man who's born.
Hey, I'm Lisa over here at Crane Hyundai in North Little Rock. I probably need to turn the air down. I am just wanting to come to you real quick and tell you that if you've had some credit issues in the past, or if you're dealing with some stuff, and struggling, look, most of us have been there, or are there, or, will be there someday. I mean, it happens to everybody. So don't let that stop you from trying to get a car when you need one. Call me. My phone number is 501-858-8271. And I'm over at Crane Hyundai in North Little Rock. It's 5660 Warden Road. And don't let a little credit hiccup stop you. Give me a call and let's get to rebuilding your good name. Thanks.